We'll show you how to use LightBurn to start engraving. Plug in the power cable. Release the emergency stop button. Insert the safety key and turn it 90 degrees clockwise. Then, turn on the power switch. Connect the laser engraver to your computer using a USB cable. Next, insert the SD card into the U-disc and plug it into the computer. Then open the LightBurn software. Click Devices at the bottom left your device list, click Import. Find LEF01 LDEV in the microSD card, click Open. Go back to the Devices menu. Select LEF01 and click OK. If the setup is successful, OK will appear in the console. After the machine was successfully connected, we inserted the SD card into the machine. Click Device Settings. Set origin to the top left corner. Make sure the working size is 300 by 300 millimeters. The baud rate is 921,600. And the speed unit is mm/min. Set the start. We recommend absolute coordinates and current position. Make sure to enable cut selected graphics for both. Then directly use the drawing tools on the left. Or click File, Import, Upload a pattern. For SVG files, choose Fill or Line mode. For JPG/PNG images, pick the best processing mode. Set your parameters. Make sure line interval is 0. 1 mm and lines per inch is 254 for best results. Place the basswood inside the machine. Hold down the focal length setting pin. Loosen the thumb screw and move the laser module up or down until the pin touches the material. Tighten the screw, then put the pin back. Click Frame to preview the engraving path. Before starting, enable Optimize Cut Path and Settings for better efficiency. Click Optimization Settings, reset to defaults. Put on your safety goggles, and you're ready to go. Your engraving project is done. Give it a try and create your own masterpiece.